Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your own FTMO account. And today we are here on the website, and if you want to create an account, we click right here on Get Started. Then after clicking on Get Started, we need to create an account. So what we're gonna do right here is don't have a profile yet. We click here on Create a Profile. Then from here we will use our email address right there, and then we click now on Continue. Then we create our password right here, and now we do sign up. Then right now fill in all the details right here, and once you did that, we click on complete registration. Now we need to go to our email box because we need to activate our account. Right now I clicked on the verify email in my email, and now if I click here on login, he will log in to this page right here, and now we created our FTMO account. So it's that simple. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.